Welcome to Simple Science at Home. Hi, I'm Miss Joanne and I'm here to do an air pressure experiment with you. Very simple. You need a glass or cup, water. I have thick cardboard, thin cardboard, and a note card. And we're going to do the experiment with all three. You use what you have. Now, make sure you have a bucket with you or you do it over the sink, because if it does not work, and it is very hard, so it might take you a couple tries, we don't want the water going everywhere because we are going to tip the glass upside down. We're going to try with about a half a glass of water. And I'm going to start with a thick piece of cardboard. I'm going to lay it right across the top of the glass. Make sure that the rim is completely covered by the cardboard. Hold my hand really tight up against the glass and the cardboard. And I'm gonna hold the bottom of the cup really firmly and flip it over. Now, I'm going to take my hand away from the bottom, and between the water and the air, all that pressure is holding the cardboard in place. Let's see if it works with a thin piece of cardboard. Now my thin piece of cardboard is just the right size, so let's hope it works. And it does. Let's try the note card. Now, as the cardboard gets soggy, it won't work as well, so you might want more than one piece. And there we go. All right, so now let's see what happens if we add more water. Now this is almost full. You can put in as much or as little as you want. We're going to try it again. I'm going to start with a clean piece of cardboard because, like I said, as it gets soggy, it doesn't work as well. Turn it over, hold the glass pretty tight. Doesn't matter how big the glass is, so make sure your hand can hold the glass really well at the top or the bottom. All right. Let's try the thinner cardboard. And we're going to try one more time with the note card. And the note card is held in place as well. Like I said, you can use as much or as little water as you want. So let's try a really tiny amount, very tiny. You can do it too. Like I said, make sure you can hold the cup really well, so it doesn't matter what size cup or glass you're using. And here goes just a tiny bit of water. And the air pressure is holding it on. And we're going to try the thin cardboard. Again, the air pressure holding it tight. And one more. And there we have it. So you go ahead, get a glass that you can hold on tight to. Make sure you're doing it over a bucket or a sink. You can have any thickness of cardboard. You can have any size glass. You can have any amount of water. And if you hold on tight, tip it over, and take your hand away, it will hold on. As soon as you turn your cup just a little bit and a little bit of air gets into that glass, the water is going to come spilling out. So make sure you got the bucket. Have fun and go ahead and try this experiment. For our next experiment, we're going to take a black marker and a paper towel. We're going to take the paper towel and cut it into thin strips. and we will put a dot, a nice dark dot of black marker on the end of that paper towel. Now, so it doesn't bleed through onto your table, put another piece of paper towel underneath. So when you color it in, it does not bleed onto your table. You don't want that on your table. And that's all you need. You will take this and put it into a cup so the bottom of the paper towel is just touching the bottom of the glass. Now when we pour water into this, and we don't need a lot of water, we just need enough so the water will slowly absorb into the paper towel, and as it does, it's going to take that black marker and it's going to make the marker bleed upward. And as it bleeds upward, it's going to change from black to the colors that were used to make the black. If you have more than one brand of marker, you could set up a trial where you have multiple glasses and you could put like each one in front and see the different colors each black marker will make. So let's get started. Just a little bit of water. Just touch that black dot and we're going to let it sit. It takes about 15 minutes to absorb, and like I said, it will absorb upward, and as the black ink goes up with the water and is absorbed to the top of the paper towel, you will start seeing the black separate into a different color. So in a second you will see a video. It takes about 15 minutes. I hope you have fun doing these 2 experiments, and I'll see you next time.